Hello family, we have an update for you. We have an update for you on report. So we have a new dedicated module for report management, right? On this particular page, you can have all your reports in one place. You can generate them on one page, right? And we also have introduced in there a new financial report management that give a good status of your business, of a business state. You can see your revenue from all business that you're doing on the app, that you're using the app to manage its record and your expenses, and you can see your net profit before tax, right? It helps you to be able to see your business stand. So let's go there. So now, but the first thing you need to do is, because we have prepared in such a way that you can also use this direct document that you can download from here. You can also use it for tax filing or for financial investment purpose or for any official purpose. So what you need to do first is, once you go to Play Store or App Store, download to the latest one, and then once you are in, look at this. Yeah, the profile, your image there, either EasyBalance logo or your picture, whatever is there, you click on it, and once you click on it, it gives you the menu. And once you have the menu, you first need to update your profile, right? The importance of updating your profile is we've added some new things there. So now you can update your image to have your business. Please don't put your picture. This is a business. This is business. So maybe you better have AI now. You can use Google Gemini and to generate just a logo for your business. So put it there, and then you notice this as well too. Business type. So you type in your business type there, and also you notice here too your TIN number. You put your business TIN number there, so that when you are submitting document, it looks very, very official. So this is supposed to be, it's supposed to be POS agency. Okay, so make sure you update that. Once that is done, so then you go to the menu again, then you see here report management, right? So you tap on the report management. You can see here you can explore yourself every other report expense. You can export your expenses, you can export your transaction list, you can export your yearly summary, you can export your thrift record and all that. But what I'm working on is just to show you a financial report, your business financial report. So that's said, you tap on it. Let's say you want to check your financial report from January this year till the current date. So just tap on it. Make sure whichever one is highlighting blue is the report you are generating. So then you select the date. So make sure you use this for the date, right? So start date, you are looking at January, right? 1st of January. You click OK. Then to today's date, 12. Then you click OK as well. Then PDF. You cannot get both at the same time, either PDF or Excel. Then you click on download statement. I want to know that it's not downloading immediately. It only generates the PDF and show it for you in a browser. That is what it does. So you have your record like this. You can see those few that I told you to update earlier, right? You can see the POS agency and Thrift, and then if you notice this is a business MetaWare. So by the time you have your business name there, it's going to be your business name financial report, right? Get that clear? And also you can see this logo here. Whatever logo you have there is what is going to display here. So it has customized this particular report to you, right? To your business. And then this report was generated today's date. You can see there it was generated today, but the reporting period, that's which period did you filter from January 1st to 12th of May. So which is here. You can see it right here as well too. Start date, January, and end date. You can see that. Okay, and then you see your report. This I do Thrift, and I also do POS. Okay, so and I use this to manage all my records and also my expenses, right? My business expenses. So you can see it all here. You can see withdrawal. The total withdrawal I've made for that period is 29. And when you count them one by one, and the total sales I've made is 1. The total deposit here. Based on transactions that you've done, you see all the list here and you see all the counts here, and see the value of those transactions. You see there for withdrawal I've done 1.8, for sales I've done 100,000, for cash I've done 50,000, for cash out 200,000, for cash transfer in one. So for cash out that's 200 million cash, then transfer in. So these are just record. You can just look at it, and then you have the total below here. This is the total volume of transaction that you've done. Right now, for this transaction, you made some charges. You charge the customer. So this is the total charges that you charge the customer. Yeah, no, sorry, yeah, 98,000 for this transaction. For your withdrawal, the total charge is this. You can see each of them. The one that does not have charges will remain zero. That's what you've charged in total for that period. And then you can see here what the bank has charged you. What does the bank charge you from what you charge? You can see the total here. And then what is now your own income? You can then see here your income here, 96,000. Right? That being said, then scroll down. Because I do Thrift too, so I can see my Thrift, the category daily Thrift, weekly Thrift, monthly Thrift, and group/rotational savings. You can see the total count. The total amount on daily, that's 101 million, 110 million, then 2 million on weekly, and then monthly is 3.8 million, right? And then rotational 310,000. I can see how much has people withdrawn. So this is the amount that people have saved with me in total, right? How much have they withdrawn from me? They have only withdrawn 23,500. How much have I paid out? I've only paid out 352,000. Then so then what is the balance with me? So with all the savings, this is the balance I'm having with me. Total of 116, and then I'm having a balance of 105 with me. Okay, then in this particular transaction, what has been my commission? So this is my income so far, 10,150,000. Right. Then that being said, like you can see that, you see those status, you can make informed decision based on all this. Then you then have your expenses. Okay, let's see, those are income, they are revenue, they are not your profit, right? Okay, then I have my expense category here. I have fuel, rent. Now those categories you can define in the app. There's a place where you do all that, right? Once you use them effectively, your record will be fully represented here, right? And then you have them, in they charge their total, and then you see the total of your expenses. Then it now gives you your business profit analysis. So you have it brings up your revenue from each of those categories, add them up together, and also put your expenses too below it, right? And then it minus them, and then it gives you your total. You can see that it gives you your total profit. That is that profit before tax, right? So it is after this that you can then now decide to download. If you want to download, you click on, you see these three buttons here, right? You can then click on it to download. And if you want to save it on your cloud, you can just click on Google Cloud, and then it saves as a backup, right? So if you want to get Excel format of this, you click on Excel, and then you click on download as well. So it will open in Excel format. You see, it opens that and gives you the record in Excel format. I hope you get that clearly. Okay, so thank you so much, and see you in the next video.